Hello everyone, I am Professor Dr. Vikas Trivedi. I am a practicing orthopedic surgeon in Prayagraj, as well as I am a visiting honorary professor of orthopedics in Eras Lucknow Medical College. I hope everyone is safe in this difficult coronavirus times, and everyone is, as we all know, the coronavirus disease is on the uptrend, so we should be all very careful, maintain social distancing, wear all the time mask, stay at home till the lockdown order is there. I just want to focus that I've always believed the vitamin D is a miracle molecule, and what I want to say for the healthcare workers as well as for all the people who are involved in coronavirus care is that we should use vitamin D as frequently as possible. I myself recommend it to my patients to take it for the management of osteoporosis, and all the patients who are more than 40 years of age, any kind of osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, we recommend them to take vitamin D. And most importantly, in coronavirus times, vitamin D has been found to be having very important anti-infective role in prevention of ARDS. It helps in treatment of acute respiratory infections because it's primarily an immunomodulator, and for the same purpose I use it as a supplement in rheumatoid arthritis patients. My preferred dose is once a week, 60,000 international units for preferably 8 to 12 doses, and I would recommend it to nearly every patient who has coming being for osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, and also I would recommend in this coronavirus times for the healthcare workers who are in the front line of this epidemic. The other thing I want to say that as the lockdown will get over, we would like to start our OPD or clinical practice, as we feel that we have to see our patients, but I would just like to recommend some measures for that we should sit in a open ventilated chamber. We should give appointment to patients in such a way that they come in a typical time slot, not make a crowd in the clinic, maintain social distancing. Every patient should sign a consent form that he's not traveling from a red zone or in containment zone, and if anything happens to him regarding coronavirus, the clinic or the doctor will not be liable. He should be properly wearing mask, he should be maintaining his hand hygiene, and then as a clinician I would recommend that we should not spend more than 10 minutes to each of the patient interaction. I would recommend to wear a proper PPE, as we all feel that PPE has a role in prevention of coronavirus. Also, I would like to say that we should sanitize our clinic before each patient's visit, and if possible every 2 hours. So that will maintain the coronavirus epidemic at a low level and we'll all be happy. The other thing I would like to say for the healthcare workers is to exercise daily. Any kind of 15 to 20 minutes of exercise is very important. We should do pranayams, we should do meditation, because all these 20 minutes of meditation after waking up and before going to bed is shown to be having good immune health results also. And lastly, I would like to say, stay safe, stay strong, be happy, and be positive, be always hopeful, be always good to each other. Try to help our poor people who are suffering in these coronavirus times, and always maintain hand hygiene, and always wear face mask and maintain good health status. Thank you.